Hi guys, good morning everyone. Myself Rakshita from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to see the subject of system software and compilers. The topic is predictive parsing. And the first topic is LL of 1 grammar. Predictive parsers can be constructed for a class of grammar called LL of 1. LL of 1 is represented as L means left and leftmost derivation. 1 means one input symbol at each step. No left recursive or ambiguous grammar can be LL of 1. There are some conditions of LL of 1. Grammar G is called as LL of 1 if and only if whenever if A is represented as A bar B are two distinct productions of G. The following conditions hold. The first condition is first of A, first of B must be disjoint. This is to be able to deterministically guess the production. And the second condition is at most one of the strings A or B can derive E, since first of A, first of B are disjoint. If A is represented as E, then first of B and follow of A must be disjoint. Algorithm for constructing of parsing table. There are some certain algorithms for each and every constructions. The input is grammar G, output parsing table M. For each production A of A, do the following. First one, for each terminal of A, in first of A, add A of A to M of A, A. If E is in first of A, then for each terminal B in follow A of A to M of A, B. If B is in dollar, then also add A of A to M of A, dollar. If there is no production in M of A, then set M of A to error. There is an example of LL of 1 grammar. E is represented as T E dash. E is equal to plus T E dash bar E. T is equal to F T bar. T dash is equal to star F T dash bar E. F is equal to E of D ID. There is a simple table generated for parsing table for string ID plus ID star ID. As you saw an example, here is the grammar. It is represented in the table. There is a non-terminals are E, E dash, T, T dash, F. Input symbols are ID plus star opening braces and closing braces and dollar symbols. For non-terminal E, the input symbols of ID is represented as E is represented as T E dash, and it is in the open braces E is equal to T E dash. For E dash, there is an input symbol of plus, so E represented to plus T E dash is placed in the plus column, and open braces T is equal to F T dash. T dash is equal to it is represented in plus input symbol, so T dash is equal to epsilon, and closing braces is T dash is equal to epsilon, and in dollar symbol also T dash is equal to epsilon. Table driven predictive parsing. A predictive parser can be built by maintaining a stack explicitly. Table driven predictive parsing. A predictive parser can be built by maintaining a stack explicitly. The table-driven parser has an input buffer stack containing sequence of grammar symbols, parsing table and an output stream. The input buffer contains the string to be parsed followed by $. Initially, the stack contains start symbol of the grammar on the top followed by $. The parsing table deterministically guesses the correct production to be used. and there is a flowchart. From table it is going to parser and it is divided to stack and input buffer. Procedure of predictive parser. The current symbol of the input string is maintained by a pointer, say IP. In every step, consider the set A of A, where A is the symbol pointed by the IP and A is the top of the stack. If A is non-terminal, then see the table cell M of A, A for the production. If M of A, A is a valid production, then pop the stack, push the production into the stack. If M of A is error or blank, then report an error. If A is a terminal, then pop it from the stack and also increment the input pointer IP to point the next symbol in the input string. The output will be set of production. The following example illustrates the top-down predictive parser using parser table. String is equal to id plus id star id. Grammar will be mentioned in LL of 1 grammar in previous slides. Thank you.